never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this. I don't know if you guys saw my video a couple of weeks ago about giving these trade school graduates a bag. I was going to give them 2 bags full of tools. I told the director of the school just to pick 2 people, and we're going to go just to fit out a complete bag and give them those tools. She called me back. She said, Steve, we've only got 7 that are graduating. And I hate just to pick 2. So we decided we're going to give all 7 of them some tools. So I went out and bought 7 green little tool bags. We're going to divvy all those tools that we've got into 7 bags, and we're going to give all of those. And I've also got some large. They're going to get a bag and then a larger tool. And I'll show you here in a couple of minutes on exactly what we're giving them, who gave what. And, you know, it'll give them a kickstart of their career. That's the main thing I want, is just to give them a kickstart. This is an inner city trade school, and these kids are trying to do the right thing to get a good job, provide for their families, and, you know, provide a better life for them and their family. So hold on a minute. I'm going to show you what we got, who donated it, and then I'm going to show you giving those tools away to those kids. Let's go. Okay, so one of the first people that donated was Knipex. And I mean, Knipex, you know, I mean, that's how you can tell what a good company is. When I told them the initiative that I've got and what I want to do, they just sent over a box of tools. So I appreciate that. I mean, we've got anything from the Cobolts to the wire strippers, you know, the side cutters, just all kind of, at the installation pliers, all kind of pliers. So each one of these people will probably get at least 2 or 3 Knipex in their bag. And we really appreciate Knipex doing that. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so the next donation I got was from a very generous subscriber. His name is Kevin O'Neill. And he just sent over a lot of electrician tools, and I really appreciate that. I tell you, these kids are going to really get a good benefit out of some of these tools. Now, some of them are new, some of them are gently used, but none of them, or all of them, are able to be put in the bags and be put to good use on a day-to-day basis by these graduates. This was one of these set was the Freedom Series alignment plier, still brand new in the package. He also sent over this 6-piece blackout screwdriver set, brand new in the package. And then he just sent over a lot of gently used tools. You can tell they're still in very good shape. I mean, all of these are still got a lot of life left in them. Some of them are just like new. And we're going to be putting, you know, I'm sure 2 or 3 of these will be going in each bag too. Kevin, I appreciate that. Very generous of you. I'm sure it's going to put a smile on those graduates' faces when we give these away. So let's see who's next. Okay, next very generous donation was given by Klein Tools. You know, I work with Klein Tools a lot. Just love their products, and I reached out to them. And when I told them I needed 2 of each, they sent 2 of each of what I wanted. I specifically, you know, told them what I was looking for because of what I needed for the bags. And I know they would have sent more if I would have asked for them, but you know, this is all I needed at the time, and I sure appreciate them giving this away. This is the 6-in-1 insulated auto lock screwdriver, which is insulated, one of the newer ones. And this is a ratcheting 7-in-1 impact flip socket, and it is in, I think, SAE. And then they sent over the compact folding hex key and Torx set. So we got one SAE, one metric, and a Torx. We got 2 sets of those. I'll probably break these up and give them 1 per bag. Then they also sent over a tradesman tool bag that I showed you a little bit earlier. Brand new tool bag. So that'll be one of the giveaways that we do also. So Klein, I really appreciate that. You really stepped up to the plate. Let's see what's next. What's next is from a YouTube channel, CE Tool Den. CE Tool Den, a friend of mine from Massachusetts. He runs a great channel. Usually have a live every Wednesday night. And he just sent over a lot of stuff, and I appreciate Carlos from doing that. You know, we got some screwdrivers here from Doyle. We've got some 10-inch adjustable wrenches. We got screwdriver sets. All these are brand new in the package. You got a Doyle linesman plier here. And then he just sent over all kind of tools. Now, these are not brand new, but look at them. I mean, they're in very good shape. Most of these are commercial electric. And we do have some Pittsburgh here. And we've got a little Pittsburgh precision set. But Carlos, what a great guy he is. Very generous. And we appreciate that. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description. So make sure you go over there and subscribe to CE Tool Den. You won't be disappointed. Let's see who's next. Okay, what's next is from another YouTuber, Joey, over at Morgan's Maintenance. Now, Joey texted me and said, Steve, what do you need? I'll send over whatever you need. At the time, all I needed was 2 levels. I pretty much, as you're going to be able to tell, had everything else covered for these 2 bags. He would have sent over whatever I wanted, but I just told him I needed 2 aluminum levels. I'd appreciate it. And he sent these over. These are the Swanson Savage 6-inch aluminum torpedo level. They're going to really enjoy these. Joey, I appreciate that. Another very generous guy on YouTube, and we appreciate everything you do for these kids. Let's see what's next. Okay, another great company I work with is Olight. Olight sent over these O-Clip Pros for the 2 bags, and I appreciate that, Olight. I know they'll get a good use out of these. Olight did not hesitate. As soon as I told them what I'm doing, they sent over these 2 gifts, and I sure appreciate that. Thank you very much, Olight. Let's see who's next. Okay, who's next? It's KC Tool. As you guys know, it's always a good day when you have a box from KC Tool open up. And KC Tool sent this out to give to those students, and we really appreciate that. Colin over at KC Tool is a great guy, and he sent over the Filo eSmart, which was made in Germany. Now, this is the insulated eSmart set from Filo. It comes with a handle. It also comes with just a knob if you want to just put the knob on one of these like this. And you got a little spinner handle here. This is a great set, and we really appreciate that, Colin. Thank you very much for donating to these kids. Let's see who's next. Okay, who's next? Well, I guess it's me. I'm the one that started all this, so it's only befitting that I should give away. You know, the reason I wanted to do this, I got a lot of extras, and I wanted to kind of donate these to somebody who could really use them. You know, I got little Ideal meters. Now, when Colin gave me that one Filo, I went out and bought this because I thought I only had 2 I needed. This is a Hurricane. Bought this for him. It's not near as nice as that Filo. I got these 2 hammers. I got this Filo set of screwdrivers. I've got some Klein screwdrivers here, some Weha, some Southwire, some NWS. I got a Klein meter here. And I'm also giving away a DeWalt impact driver with a battery and a charger. A Milwaukee impact driver with a battery and a charger, and a Metabo HPT impact driver with a battery and a charger. And I'm also giving away that steelhead bag that we looked at earlier. So that's it, guys. That is everybody who gave. I really appreciate it. I can't wait. The little green bags that I'm putting these in should be in today. We're going to fill them up, and the next time you see me, we'll be giving them away to those students. So hold on, that should be coming up. It's going to be 2 weeks from now, but for you, it's going to be about 2 seconds.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours at stake.
And I was watching TV the other day, and they had an announcer come up and said there's, in the United States, 500,000 electricians are going to be needed in the next 2 years because of AI data centers that are being built. And Charlotte is a perfect area for data centers. Yeah. Duke Power's here, plenty of cheap power, and that's what they're looking for. Yeah. I think that it's really going to help you get a head start in your careers. And by the way, a lot of these AI companies are taking jobs away, but AI is actually giving jobs to tradespeople.
Yep. Build your tool kit. You don't have to go out and spend lots of money to start. You're going to need a good multimeter. You can get a multimeter set for under $100. It's perfectly fine. Yeah, when you get further along, you might want to buy a better one. But start getting the basics.
I got a good one right here.
Okay.
Yeah, so in there you'll see tools from Klein Tools and Knipex, which are top of the line. Yeah. I mean, these are the best tools you can basically buy.